Yasaba, yes, we're doing kunim so ampa for the week until the whatever. Yes, we also doing kunim di mai. We are back in Mpensenpensenmu brainy. My main question now is waje braina. O share Badwam on Adom TV, multi TV. So, Sister Sandy Bini, Professor Ike Wallace, ne, Lady D, you're more grateful. See, I will do this point. My main car will be able to say the amount of Ghana and the amount down. So don't forget. You have to continuously sustain the exhibition of these qualities. Say, oh, you're patriotic, say, oh, dormant, so you're transparent, so you're truthful, and being honest at any point in time. Oh, yeah, there on behalf of Ghana. It's very important. And so help me God. Oh, yeah, have to there quickly. Am I ready? For the NTM out to me, have to say, oh, the akomapa, ekoding, nafi, waka, wapanta, siso. But I said, they didn't put you ne can cover bread out for Biano and no Anna obey. So help me, God. And if I wouldn't show me Yakubu Chepsa, me Alice Kopi, me Ahmed of Adipam fame, me Alex Zeboam, and if I wouldn't show me Educhumwamo Sa Papabi, me a Chinswa Hima Papabi, and the Odu show, maybe be a kokama. I will have for Edema. Yet shall be bia. Our Jibril so also here can say the Daniel ni kwata Titus Glover Atenasi in common ye Ghana and Komo said ye be Ghana and to my panel over all these years and to my panel ya pese Ghana frano. Your contribution is very important. My contribution is important, so it becomes our contribution towards the development of Ghana very, very relevant and key in the Shannon so say obekai na bribiadano. Also on a panel bompai abub Ghana. Now your actions should reflect that you want Ghana to move in a positive direction. Is very, very important. Now, so I contribute towards the forward march of Ghana. All right, Kwaba.
What is it?
Oh, Adom Bibia Namnequem. Adom Bibia Namnequem. Kama. Now, so.
Adom.
Tema. Me in short,
I'm so shadan to waterman. And shadan top.
I see. I did not pay a top out.
Over the weekend, my godfather, member of the Council of State, Honorable Stanley Niajiri Blankson.
Yeah.
At the 86th birthday.
86?
86. He's still going strong.
Ajiri Blankson?
Yes, man.
Well, I guess 70 maybe.
Unfortunately, I couldn't make it to the church and the refreshment. Friday night, me won't shut down for me. And they detained me for about 4 or 5 hours at our clinic with some flutes. Now they are there. The Mami Fakunya was so now me wishing you belated happy birthday and wish him well. Stay longer for us. She said, "Penny no account no. I see Professor Michael Quay, any kakraka, and Yamintu ni kwandam. I wish him all the best."
Na party mboko.
No party in some day. Say anybina anapaya what to me kwa teso mabahe. Anga wose meda. Na mejima home. Since I left office, I've never sat one day as a member of Fidiso to champion and to speak on behalf of government and my party. And the party now bani dia yebekoso akasab dia ma omunyina. And so far so good.
Stage man, I'm communicating with timetable in relation to.
Oh, and India also constitutionally say you are bemwa. Presidential primaries are a year to general elections. Say opposition is 2 years to general elections. But ubia oyena family yena dia. Say na general secretary a man indication more bia and show biases. Open campaign. Na dia nyina banesa ebe habibri. Apart from national officers, regional officers, and key figures in the party. You don't need to show open campaign. We are there, we are there. Skirmish now we are not from there. You can do it, but openly doing such things. We shall not at the Nsembibidi. But until so far, make us say so good. We are behind the government. His Excellency the President. Amandia Ekosono. It's not limited here. I know you have friends, you have relations all over abroad. Nadia, don't catch out the Ekoso. But I do baby and now you say a limited discussion. Say, a bina mambuno ubuno and a enkuyem for my. I admit me a gunning and a pay me by me to fuel. Egu mikemo. And to me be a question. But this one too shall pass. Definitely it shall pass. He has not stopped abiding and reneging the commitment in the running of the affairs of this country. The president is doing his best, and we need the support of everybody to make sure, say, the abyss to ye, a best at Yako. Media, and I fall in love anytime I hear your voice in the media space because you sound so nationalistic. Who need for funny hafa? Who hit ya? Who hit it? You are hating not because you hate anybody, but you want the right things to be done. And the media makosa bomba baso. Na mudi ezimunya na munyo nintem. Muzi mudi ewa yi. Abayanga sisi amakukuru bokama. Ana
abaye dada do wiye.
Ana abaye na kwanwe. Ana ha say. Ana say. Because you wey bi kachero. Sa na tie ni. And muzi mudi na we inconvenient. Last week ana pay me you got me patron me nine. Anga yebu. With insurance.
Okay.
And the muzi kan yen.
So contract
make it a camera yi say. And I miss me
contract of amoye. Ejuma wan say. Say they ona work na. Ye use every day mo ba mo ho nya hare.
Anapanga mi patri.
The inconvenience.
The bubunanga and insurance.
Baji. For who kotokana has?
Olympics.
Very good team.
Great Olympics.
I'm happy. I'm happy say on ka kotokana.
Only support Arsenal so England.
Oh okay.
Omuti akuma dodo. Olympics bet my be. Say no mo ye Arsenal so bukono kama. Omu jemu a.
But Mr. A referee no the referees in Committees Association of Ghana and Mr. Monfre Kotokone has referee quickly now. I'm calling him to order. Probably a suspension for about 20 matches will do.
Penalty no, you know, wrong penalty. Well.
No, Nyadi. Has for goal no one. Off. No, Debbie. Has
for over the week. Na metiza will compare.
No, has for Ukita.
Magic one.
Has for Nankasa Jia to say. Bo we dear. Referee in the same situation. Omaja to no problem. They tossed him on 3 occasions to deny protocol of penalty. And minim say na ehun say any dabro so say it's so strange.
Many we are drink me but na me tie Adom.
Yeah.
Say us Bokotoko Kumasi they are their best.
Yes.
It is the reverse.
Yes, into yeah, member.
NT so videos are there, they can play it back.
Yeah, Mijili said they should take the matter up. Why movie pa?
But for some time now, referee I improve kakra.
Well, I think so. But when you say bring back the love in iron heading.
1 or 2 now we need to make sure we sanitize it.
Now how did you? With the years the years sempa. Team omo card me say.
Obizi Katoko Kadiogo Mbaye. Now this is Razak Mutan Kadiogo Mbashemwa.
Oh, Razak Mutan.
Amrausa.
Razak Mutan.
Amrausa.
Say yeah, need Kofi Beduni Rasta Mamota Papa komo. Yeah, the number 2.
Show one. Wo Ombahasa.
This is repeat.
Me na me kachira.
Ba wo libi die fan community na yen commons because
na so Olini Kotoko say.
Dem chese say they also so gidi.
Olini Kotoko say.
The Olini Kotoko say
has cornerstone.
Cornerstone.
Cornerstone say. Has the cornerstone say.
Cornerstone that's all.
Oh, na say enough
cornerstone.
Cornerstone has say. The Olympics are Kotoko.
Oh, yeah, bring camera for any so. Oh wow. So we are back to our conversation. Over the past few weeks, the fight against illegal miners are a pejorative. Now the pointers and indicators are not really good for us as a country. Yensua a likelihood. Afe apomude unsema ebetosin. The here kesiye pa apart from these two no so ye. Sika enyunu ko ankra bottom a be more my Ghana how crime and for boy bra through this illegal mining. Question is, this is not time to engage stakeholders again because we've done this engagement over time. How do we solve this problem? Because we pretend to be solving the problem because you're beneficiaries of that challenge now. Central for Amanyuku, Mumpenyu for Nananomo, Adjei for Adom for everybody now.
Come on, me that saying. I mean. Chia was shuffle nyina no pay. Na minda wasi. In fact, we need to commend the media of this country for my role and my contribution in the fight against galamsey. From day one, the media has not stopped when in Jaikasa projecting the negative impact of galamsey. Nayami Yase, my own brother JDM, is politicizing this galamsey fight.
Okay, so on that note, former President John Dramani Mahama is calling for sanctions against government officials involved in the return of galamsey Queen Aisha Juan. Aisha Juan was arrested a few days ago by the National Security Operatives for her illegal return to the country following her deportation in September 2018. Her arrest has left many questioning the government for its commitment to fight against illegal mining in the country. Speaking on Accra-based TV3, former President Mahama said the government must not shield anyone involved in the return of the Chinese national. The former president also called out President Akufo-Addo for failing the fight against the menace. President Akufo-Addo in 2017 put his presidency on the line by stating his resolve to fight the galamsey menace. I have said in the cabinet, and perhaps this is the first time I'm making this public, that I am prepared to put my presidency on the line on this matter. The president said. Mr. Mahama said President Akufo-Addo should have resigned by now. Per his own words, if you go to the districts, they talk about community mining. Community mining is the MPP party executives and DCs who are doing the community mining. So they are the ones doing what they are doing. So how can you expect him to fight galamsey when his own people are the ones who are doing it? If we were in some jurisdiction, he would have resigned by now. By his word, he put his presidency on the line, he added. So that's also the former president on this conversation on.
I don't know.
Mami actually said, Bernard didn't peace in Swabeka. Yes, Akwaba. Yeah. Okay, Nikwate.
And the governor, the fight against galamsey, who should be the commitment Ashemupa, a President Akufo-Addo. When him say, Kaninu obi ye galamsey, udi nuko kota, emrana ewo munyinano, ijele mere fine. Yes. It was only when we realized the impact and the negative impact of galamsey, we need to amend the Minerals Act. Sedia obi ye galamsey in semwa, you have a punitive action against punishment against the person. President Akufo-Addo, ordinary office no, is ever ready to put his job on the line in the fight against galamsey. No undiagro. Na undiagro. In their time, galamsey started way back. How did they fight it? My own senior, Honorable Yunisa Fusini, he was the Lands and Forestry Minister, virtually raising his hand in despair. There was absolutely no clue in the fight against galamsey. Sebi, epu afa ubada. And you bagaza when you zumunam. And I sebi. Se car about that. Ubagaza mu foka bio. Debi. And the Jebia, I was a bino or the Guakwemua in the fight against galamsey. He continues to do. The grinding machine biaba. Nanzena mze abujina pone tachole mrekuduka. Our commissions and machines you have to grind to take people away from the water bodies. The impunity in this country is becoming too many. The impunity, just say everybody, and
yeah.
Last week was the last 2 weeks. In the community, in the village community, na kabreni etite pekas otutu from so pay gold. In the full glare of everybody. Before the police could move in, the DC have to come in. Adom. Why? Why is the selfishness and the greed and the punity too much? And we have democracy in heading, but we will not renege. And the galamsey fight, and yet Akufo-Addo is excellent in one fight. It involves everybody. And then soon about ujina biposo na u bridge na pranoa. who ra in Zima, and you look at an cobra. Apart from in sono eco punomono, the chemicals na woman and no aquatic life in the lagoon river ever say. What do we win number in freezer in sono? You cannot. Because they are all polluted. And so no quite frap punsono, even though in punsono a doss on the crano, at a point the crano, a better destabilize and number open. So this fight of galamsey, it is beyond the government. It involves everybody. Everybody must take the fight and fight on. And then last over the weekend, me share news. One of the towns in Ahafo or Ashanti area. Obviously, yes. Do Dikro, and one of the others said, "Oh, and also they have to be quick. How many of these chiefs are ready to do what they mandate? Unfortunately, I've forgotten the name and the town. In Ashanti, I have one of the towns. It means that the chiefs and elders have shown leadership. Timemufo youth na wano ajatum say yama galamsey no kwanwa ebe haye. Now when him say galamsey no normally no those who come from outside omo do say timemufo no mo galamsey no. 1989 me year me 6 form national service e wa amoni e Owin Shaman district. Na amoni e kro na me wo ho no. Ampofo free benchini bentanyina abakromo they have taken over the town to come and do galamsey. Those days 89.
The problem is
you understand? 89. And the brand nami tata bus ma nami ko NJ around Fiancé Mine Secondary School. Takwa. No be obi kita pick up no to form. Na maybe sir, me need education. That's na the director of education in Win district, you know. You have Mr. George. And na maybe sir teacher one program be what takrade. Say there no also to galamsey would pick axe. 1989. Me who go bush no. Just have some few walking distance. In Takwa at that time. And the Chinese now, of China, or do Kotokano, only Bibiana. Takwa, Ana Enche, Ana Lubu, Ana Fanny Denchra, Nada, a young kind of winner, and a so on, sir, in the culture of the say. On so by and so, no excavator, or the mission, with the support of our own Ghanaian people. The man can say, President, no, the fight against galamsey, Onye he continued to put his job on the line. When he say lose some consensus in the
greater percentage
yes,
of this,
in the fight against galamsey, and then the end is benefited because Ebrana here see here then they are telling the people say ye muntu na John can say onoba galamsey go for your prison obey you mobie. It's not fair. Who caught Christian Hundi Valley? We lost that place. It's a galamsey constituency. Meboa. Who caught Amenfi East? Bodier, Wase Kropong, Honyina. We lost the seat. Uba Upper Denchira West. Diaso, Minister Mukromo. We lost the seat because we were fighting the galamsey to the tilt to make sure say, and yes sir, and it was here, and clearly. The more this for numbers more politicized galamsey no. Sebi. In so na any political color.
Okay.
Ghana water and air brepa and funny enough. In sema ye nyina ye wia ni so ba they want to blame Ghana Water Company. Kamna? And so no say no. Aye bottom we can force motor. I say no. You look at the amount of money you're going to buy chemicals to process this water into a clean water. No, or buying so say they are banning your name. Meanwhile, you are a major culprit in the destruction of the environment and the water bodies and all that. So clearly, for me, the statement made by former President Mahama was so needless, was unfortunate. How do you fight? Because you had the opportunity when you were the head of state of this country. How did you fight it? You left it.
Okay. Anim. Akwa babio. Yeah. Ekono enye yensem by beko. Because I want to show you yanko o mamuni na ye be boka kese pa padaroma isi yenye de
ama he me dase na me nchia me brother Titus na me nchia so
chegbe chalo
honorable Titus Glover
yes man
nana otu ansa oh Michia Agrefonso. Na omahene galamsey fight no. Ye fiase.
as for mind your eye.
Ye ni abrese be two galamsey.
For the president to put his presidency online.
Ni ame hu ne say ye ni mre se pese two galamsey na say. Ye ni mre.
Ye keke na.
Ye keke. Lip service. Ye de nga no na fight galamsey. Because ye tenkran. Ni e fight galamsey a ekoso. E wanko bra river so.
Yes, you think.
Everything. It ye nim the real impactor galamsey no enya wa manfo a what you say what is our communities no because enya nsu papa no mo nkran enya bi gware se be sem ka etie fun fanchem enya bi kura flash yen agana nti ye nim the real impact ye nim ne ekoso ye nim race be se fight galamsey ye because ye nya bre pass be se to galamsey asia o ma hen mi ngode dig say ye Chiremi nsubia gold wo mo Ghana ha we galamsey a wonti ni dingda enna Ghana ha ye be fa dan ne de akọ enye accessible eti yentime nko ho nkasa ye kwakọ boss ensu no ho ban ana ye ni mo nga we galamsey no ye ni mo o ye ni mre se be se etuase ye ko sensu akese ne dodo pa ya he o ma he ne kana minti ne dodo pa ya he
ya ne se de e bibi
ayi hua mantin ye nya personal security for mo onko bo ho ban mai navy for wo Ghana ha we den adwuma se bi asem kan anopa kopman adwuma wo ye den Ghana Armed Forces anopa kopman adwuma wo ye den won do ya he ayentimi mfanko dan ne ye piecemeal you say ya to galam stop enti nipa be sia ba nan bi won go so how did they fight it obeda akonko no entrepreneurs nankasa businessmen nankasa what did you man won ha yes won ko hweduma no so mai ebeda na ye minus nankasa yes won ha no mo ho ban na president Mahama kan no say president Akufo-Addo asa wan hu adwuma na ni so wan te ase eno de ne president ne koto so say mentimi a me de mahin say ma media na so mampan na media no ebeto so wo kan wie no unwie yo enya no wode ku galamsey no say me presidency ato so nti no bi Adjei sa na so yina na
a chelsea any brabe
na any brana ba no kan wie na ye den na wo ye bi
e ho ne hia no
wo kan wie no na ma na Adjei
nya kasa no e ho ne hia
wo kan wie no ese se utu anamon bi anamon be
tuo no tuo na nya wani so ana
anamon be no tu me ba be kire wa so galam stop ana den na kofi mobile party hieska excavator za hina irai nti okono ne ani abrese e beko excavators 500 de tu irai ye hu be be e fai sebi wo de ko hye den ma enye yi nti be be wo de ko gu na esan fi ho a ekoi ne ko he wo de ko ye den
ye ka say
construction site ana
ye ka say de excavators wo de woni kire ashale botwa third gate honum no ye wo mobile for
ye menim na bekin
bebrebi
kona kokan
a me kire mo be si bebre se ebro ba
so kona kokan
ebro ba ko ebro du num
no 500 na yete
de di kan no ebro aduo no ye to so me ni nkomodi yi ye o kan ebeboa pa o
nya botre mame
de to so biem no assemblies ni bi nso abedia dance ye se za infidie ni bia yi sizi ye no ebi wo mo ni nyinem de o kan se enu anywhere near that figure still e
bia nkomo na nye se egu ho na egu ho so what you say ye bisa ho nsem how many years
even now no cry dey kusi se ma info so ma the asam na ihu kwa se drone na ese to ye about $3 million and also ho asem ai ba
enti ye ngani mre se e betu okona se odi obi ko so nkohwe so nkobu ase ye betimi esi okona no ya obehwe no no yankasa kra
akotom
osan akotom bi wankoje license front to mobi
me wa wase kropon e kokon atia galamsey illegal mine na illegal mine na ba ko nya me am advocate for illegality no on sure afere no asa ba me ho se menya 30,000 bia mana na anka within a month no dede bibiri be na meye no bitwa so
because we okono
impunities
o man okono enya koketwa o they said drug your friend then cocaine fight we are seeing anything into as yen because sika wom
because it is a kilo is $53,000
obi cocoa farm 1 acre say what afia onyahe and I'm saying who will be an go social media obi o say no na odi an cocoa ntino no pe no dey
yeah
that is the reality
nya koketwa o
enya agore ni
ya approach ni ya tonsuo
ya da baby ne konya konna sa so what you say ne kono enye hu sa
because sikadwuma
exactly it is a sabi o say ohu owo utimi so niti ana wotwa niti fiso ya na aka nyina ya hama na akoso ne ham ne ni duam na ogoro hu a agore ben na odi o ma hene community involvement ya because na honorable ken obekono community na wo suffer no won mu ba he kra na e bia woka minus no ana we galamsey ni bi ahoko fu bia na ba ye nti ono no oya nsu say o then emfa no oye wi okoni krom oye wi a okoni krom Chinese v was saying nsu wi a okoni krom nti emfa no the impact ye kan enya na sam kra onye ska obekwa betu nsu bi obeso no fin kra no de akọ ne site. It is on man ye ni abra enye kasa. Oman ye enye kasa keke o. Ye betimi atua na mon papa bi ebe ye adwuma. This is so that kese. No do ya he.
No I bibi.
Ye nya ho soldier force, police force.
He akofia for 3 seconds bi
na be pen baby atena. Ensu na ya he. Because nsu etene. Enti se wo from wo netifi a ebe ba no flo. Enti won ko gina no flo. 7% so na befono na me kenso ati asa
matias etifi wa
eyensu akese a ye betimi de crowd speedboat agugu so a patrol 24/7
because kuna se ye kuni
24/7 ye wa navy fo it is on man na ni abra anya drones a ye de akogu kwai bi no beating trans me na me monitor wa we ye serious I'm telling you it dey come panyin kai se me de me presidency ato so no na nya so ka wie keke as so who say adi me ya say I say you fit any or fix a car fault aba ho ana me boa or diagnose we mo so yi ne ko fa sa problem by it is hana mefa onyina ka no ho money zem the president ato so ke be best pack is ya me de meduma ato so e ba best pack enye yi every nye yi president Mahama ka say me mribi sa kwin mu a and president Akufo-Addo no so yentimi nya ade ba ko da bia me ye nya different results. So therefore you dey piecemeal yi ya ye bi da amwa ya show excavators amwa it then necessary ye ebetimi aboa also probably tina gbantimi anya ye ndie ba be ye ene yen ne 1 million votes na biri wani so ntina ene ma wo kasa sa ene yen ne nti o man si pese etu asa ebetimi etu asa
okay
ye ne bra ebetimi aye enya de edin sa
okay
because baby what to say sikase ana galamsey ya ha wo man no ye kwaim ana meboa forest our ene yensu ye bien pe
te enye hu sa
anka enye hu sa enti den no bi je license me kwakotu o friend den galamsey wo kwaim na wo man license na no the man hina no the man kwaim mama license ko tu o because how your concession kona kotu no sa be ka chem se me hu ni enti akokwa no wakose kwai obetete wo soro na enti ya ban say obi entu galamsey whether a small scale or whatever scale into wo kwai sankesi ana meboa emmensu ensi ye
by na won say nsusu de ne koso de gidigidi
eno na ede enti na o ka kire won sa na green netting also unya mjeyi ubejai dede ne ye because one kasa no get yourself involved
o ma me busumi me kobo ade
and you was damn serious asam no kan no sa pepepe nete Obama also why ye. Now my
is awful.
Now we won't cash out Obinyan. What better multimedia have you?
Because they didn't know you know.
Enti e kono nya ne ayede nipa ba asakwa wo brabo ngeye. See a move full battalion.
Alright.
Yeah. Oh.
I'm the person who menu kakra or can be about speedboats. My name is PC observe kakra. Nan saying your commission speedboats on our rivers and Cobra Pra. Mrekuduka, the deputy minister in charge of
Lands and
natural resources. But no commission on behalf of the minister. We have speedboats on the ground. Now, many years doing because the Operation Gallant stop and a Vanguard 1, there was a Vanguard 2, whatever. The soldiers come in once to sanitize the system. Then they move. Then they allow local securities to come in. The DCs, their dissects to make up. But many years doing say we need to keep the soldiers permanently on the ground. If these local, the regional ministers are areas jurisdiction, they must allow the soldiers to come from Accra and deal with the situation on the ground. But let me expect this for the fight consistently, the kind of things.
Speedboat naba. Then and among Benny, yeah, the veteran, the train, so there's the speedboat. Speedboat by you understand?
Speedboat, he said, young farmers in the garage. It's on the river. It's on the river.
And here then. You see this fight? For now, no.
Who can be? It's not different. It's not different from what I'm saying. The impunity is too much. What's okay? Was that group? Yeah.
Yeah.
Me so what I'm saying is it means that everybody's hand must be on the deck.
Yeah.
It's not about mere talking.
Yeah.
We sit on national television and we are talking and criticizing. Yeah. Everybody who also be here, you must raise the red flag. And you said already one direction. Now, Ampofo from including chiefs, politicians, and me. I don't do galamsey. I'm a guy. Me couple. And me here that's what we do. Anybody who is doing illegal money must be arrested and prosecuted. Because in Sona minimum na ni political color. Sabi me call campaign na me na born no so no. Edu be so me sabi them no. I live in a rural area called Ammonia. Those days in so no pure natural water. I mean so fresh. Why hadn't I say greed and impunity? We want to sit down to destroy this country. PSA, it is not only about Akufo-Addo.
Yeah.
It is me and you, all of us, who must join forces together.
Sometimes the reason why President Akufo-Addo is Excellency Bebem Kakra say, "Ebede di pefe say, ninkofo ni biya power mo no." Ono kasa anamotu ene mrabo.
But you've got enough and deal with this. Do you remember your days about 2000?
No, forget about that.
No, forget about that. But you gave a good point. Woody, at least me, I'm not in support of burning of excavators. But who burning also the effect of destroying the water bodies and the environment, say the sitting. Yashino ya. So for no shino mo so say. Wusu so na ko poison and to serve as a lesson to stop all these things. And then you bobo na nyina no. We say identity from assemblies no mo mfanye. I agree with that. But ensure so assembly be here bia aban ekoye tutu got them bibi. You can give some out.
Okay.
But I want to summarize. Milandi. This fight against galamsey, it is not a Adudankwa's fight alone. Okay. It is a total, holistic fight by every Ghanaian, particularly in the areas where the galamsey are going on.
Okay.
All right. Another person can say, "Hey, I'm okay. So yenyi amanyo sem film. Yenyi amanyo sem film. Say, Amampenye Akufo-Addo no Amampenye. Ekuya. Say na person yebo na baso. Baba be bona baso.
Ankoya ne dia.
Ankoya.
Tie nyini film ne. Ya ko ine film.
Na mum yebe koso akai no. Enkoye. Na wa sorry. I don't just say bibia o. Mama me say no beto abeti because of galamsey ni me lose fight because of galamsey. No, I'm in lose election because of galamsey. So when you brace up person we ya, and President Mahama can be no. So what I say obey ya de no. Ne de so papa bro man no. If even ebe koso the presidency.
So
look at this. Look at this.
Big
names fight eliminate. When Bonzo was fighting. Or no one what is this?
Well, Asaba, quickly, my man Kofi, happy birthday, Mr. and Mrs. Teria. Hey, no, happy marriage union. So Mr. and Mrs. Teria, Mr. and Mrs. Teria, more in Sakina, CAC, Obin City, Mowari and Rada, and Raden Kamo, Abraham Kamo, Wabomo, so for Apostle Israel, a Hona or Day Abba. This one, so receiving him say Hazel Pony, Ohema, happy birthday, free Obrimpon of Ice Village, Mankasim, and Edmond of Multimedia. Say Rade, Mwa, Sa Nipakuwe, new age, rather, not new age. So happy birthday, Hazel Pony, Ohema, a happy birthday. But back to the studios. How about Daniel Nikwate, Titus Glover, Ewa Hanum say, Anna Afe. Better than in PSC, so what had say. Before the better, the honorable title say about Colonel Breno. Ya Brian is now I'm seeing, say, command chairman of Ampofo-Adjei and then chef for one say, use Afrejan, Charlotte, say kind of modus operandi. NDC, I shall say, Kasa on this re-registration exercise, continue as a registration, or more challenges, and then they are pointing fingers. About some commissioners at the electoral commission said they are conniving with the new patriotic party say Omo Ebema Abatorako in their favor and other matters why they don't even go for IPAC meetings and all those things. It's not healthy for us as a country.
Metier, it was the last week Tuesday. Na me no studio with Eric. Or yeah, press conference, can almost how any dia almost challenge and say National Identification Authority and to me issue cast be said ya easy for a genaso at the year on registration na ne kase mu no o ka say afareja breso any yenua ba Charlotte abreso no they do more of consultation than say Jimensa Bresu said ya also in Yamano. And in Yamano Moya no Yadia na and Twasu. Or Corso can say composition of committees no my yellow. Representation na a wohono. Canino na a MPP Munu, NDC Munu, and other political parties are winning the parliament also Omodia Kakrebi. But now it is rather the reverse. Or Cambium can say CSOs no. Almost a moment trends Montiasi. And the way no mean a more suspicion, they say, you see any abino echo nakranda amube abaton. Na me can say, Mesa Kabium, we are see a woman. Utu Drubonia, a become one. A brand na see dunketia, a gena simpiso, a catcher in this was a Mobian Cotrodi, you know. No castle or you. Or you issued a statement. Fiat said, "Ma endis in India and congratulating on the national identification." And then on the Abba. And then on the Abba. Became my president, ex-president Mahama. A brand now Supreme Court Abu Ramadan. Any easy court I see use National Insurance Authority ID card to make people register. As Supreme Court, a rule say it is not a form of identification. Many are penning your mama babon this cancer. Munja easy for money. But they themselves, they have inherent systems because at the time now you force to the say my issue national identification national health insurance card you find your registration. The EC is independent. They have inherent systems and structures to stop anybody from rigging the election on behalf of John Mahama Dramani. John Dramani Mahama. And then the answer. And the maybe of some of when in this one, such statement na John Mahama Kaya no. Or Musa statement. Because it's a me pull up as it's here, and the actual kind, and the motive. Now for some of when in this one more. You see, giant MBB, I've heard saying, yes, no, the Juma. And then the answer. Obey a press conference consultant for President Mahama. And the maker said, natural, but to some extent, we need end this phone by Adjei. Safari Giant, any Charlotte, a year consultation. I don't see why, if anything, current EC heads, and doing just a consultation. Consultation we are the same. Meet for some of no case. Say you see Eddie Mrano see any parliament on every election. Apart from committee yet see what parliament easy IPAC for no your trust. Ni shading na. Then one kasa on draft to events Mrano. Na easy just come to firm it up. Say sanity dia message mensa on for Adjei and for God. The election of 2024 ubia we wanya the 4 terms yenzu yenya 6 terms or whatever 8 terms whatever and then we go decide and the slightest way bia no more position a raise the flag so when you buy meanwhile elections are won at the polling stations okay ya develop papers ni printing nyina ya nyina ya ko printing house wo e ko hwe de ekoso e be free ho e de aba be fa say baby about to center no you need the you free police station every police station you need the we take all the stock of all these ballot papers you two abani US so and say be kan so ni ya chro bibia da hospital
enim
enti mesre no the job dey ground
how near medebe so honorable titles then so say me say mama di mensa otenase na o hwe say bra na owo aye abribia no otu
on na dwenkyere ko no
na eteden no betra so den na eko because yenim say CI obese wo ye CI honorable obiamo otiase ona no represent the NPP ora hudiaya represent the NDC wo nipa bia wo ngakwadare wo mbrem
what to adwene
no ngakto adwene no de aye CI na yesi de dia beka sa na aye standard practice in France from ora African so haba inti Emma agree no aye participatory obia wo mbi inti menti ase yebebobo hu awiansa akoye mra na ma meji mensa de nyesa na tenen ono no be ya aba oba wo se ma aye ne se na ma aye nini wonni kwan se object to any portion of it odi aba ne no ya no fansa eno ne e kire se oyesa IPAC no umma enyina ne nanso eno nti na NDC susu se be ya rubber stamp da bia wo ko international na susu se enye na no abeka kire opo wo mpo nti wo se prempren ni akoya ne se wo be subject to voting
na parties
kitten na ka no one out number
and the chairman problem with
it no then decision am kwa make sabi yo eye bibia efa apato ho nti sabi asam nti mfa nya agori di sa oh as I say the seriousness be attach na emma credibility so ati ase etime bagoro na yeji no ho because yet to abawie na decision no ne ebe koma wonte asa ko Supreme Court ko no so say ne ye kan ani a oni asem bia kan bi o what you say in a way no e subversive what you say in a way ne be nya nipa no pe e na decision no koy nyama dwen se meto aba na meto ma ba no manto anko se but ye wie no final arbiter no wa chichira ko si ha e subversive
yes so team
as so team
na o ma me ho to me
be si kama because na am election na 2020 o ma yene ye nto aba ma nipa ba wotwe afiri won kwada nipa 8 wo be hwe form a abra 9 people focus o yense san yenye register ma me Charlotte Osebre so no so be kaya won nyina so bi ni say how be bre wo yen register them in terms of register na bloated obekai my work reference na Akufo-Addo class ECOWAS register na nipa ne doors wo pay young population wo hwe ratio na e doors dodo ye ni nyina wi ana no wo ye register no mpato esotewe it is sa suspicion no what you say
okay
you cured by itself into you say ye be ma yen abato no o ma hene NDC atiase eyi ne ye de ko emra no ya hihye ne pepepe ye gya atom
but it's key sa fa no nyina betiase you especially the part yes, it's very important
that's why I say we a broader consultation
it's very important
yan trans ne deliberate
okay ni kwata
ye na ya de nkro ba ko that's my no ye ne de nyafe
na me Adom echi na
ne ma meji mesa ye na nyafe
yeah thank you so much